Hey there! If you're watching this, you've just completed the 6-day Anxiety Reset mini course. And first of all, I just want to say, well done. You took action. You showed up for yourself. You're already resetting your nervous system and stepping into more calm and control. That's huge. But here's something I want you to know. This is just the beginning. If you're ready to go deeper, to really understand your anxiety and start creating lasting habits that support your peace of mind, then I want to invite you to grab my Anxiety Mastery Bundle. It's a powerful next step that combines knowledge, tools, and daily structure, so you can keep building on the momentum you've started. Let me quickly show you what's included. First, the eBook, Understanding and Mastering Anxiety. This guide breaks down exactly how anxiety works in your brain and body in simple, clear language. You'll learn how to calm spiraling thoughts, build healthier habits, and set boundaries that protect your energy. This is the aha moment guide that helps everything click. Then you get Think Clearly with the ABCD Method. This is especially helpful if you deal with stress at work, meetings, deadlines, people-pleasing, or overthinking. It gives you a clear framework to identify triggers, shift your mindset, and stay grounded even under pressure. And finally, the Daily Anxiety Management Routine Checklist. This is your step-by-step daily flow, helping you wake up with intention, stay calm through the day, and wind down peacefully. It's printable, easy to follow, and designed to reduce anxiety before it builds up. So you're getting the full ebook, the ABCD Method Guide, and the daily checklist, all bundled together for just $49. That's less than the cost of one therapy session, and you'll have lifetime access to tools you can return to again and again. If your gut is saying yes, if you're ready to not just manage anxiety but truly master it, click the button below and grab your bundle. You deserve to feel calm, clear, and in control, not just for a week, but for good. Thank you for being here, thank you for showing up for yourself, and I can't wait to see how far you go. Let's keep moving forward together. Click the link below and find your inner peace, as this offer is only valid on this page.